Welcome, calculus students, to a review of trigonometry in Sohcahtoa, and this is it. After Sohcahtoa, you are cut off from videos, as you should know this. So here we go, a review of Sohcahtoa, and that's Sohcahtoa. It has been a summer, though, and I understand that. This is, of course, sine, cosine, and tangent. And this is opposite over hypotenuse, adjacent over hypotenuse, and opposite over adjacent. What they want you to do here, what I want you to do here, is find the 6 trig ratios for angle A. That's this one, that angle right there. So the sine of A is, of course, opposite over hypotenuse, which would be, the opposite side would, of course, be 12, and the hypotenuse would be 13. So this would be 12/13. The cosine of A is adjacent over hypotenuse, and that's all coming from Sohcahtoa here. And adjacent from angle A would be 5 over hypotenuse of 13. Okay, so there's the sine, there's the cosine, and for tangent, it would, of course, be opposite over adjacent, which would be the opposite side of A again would be 12. The adjacent side would be 5. So this would be 12 over 5. Opposite over adjacent. 12/5. Now for the cosecant, which is the inverse of the sine, it would be the hypotenuse over the opposite side. And I don't know what that would spell, but whatever. CHOS, you get the idea. But we could probably make something clever out of that. But it's nothing more than flipping this fraction up here over 13 over 12. So instead of opposite over hypotenuse, it would just be 13 over 12. The secant is, of course, the inverse of this. So it's h over a, which is 13 over 5. No funny business there. And the cotangent is the inverse of the tangent opposite over adjacent, which would be adjacent over the opposite. And that would, of course, be 5 over 12. And that was the trig ratios of angle A. I invite you to do angle B. Give it a shot. Have a good one.